Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Do you have something in your life that you regret? There are a lot of people who are dealing with regret in their lives. How are you dealing with regret in your life? Is it something that you feel on a daily basis? Is it something that only comes up for you periodically? When you think about your regrets, do you wish that you would have done or maybe not done something in your life? If you have something that you regret, you're likely blaming yourself for something that happened in the past. When you're regretting something, you're focusing on your past. You're arguing with something that either happened or didn't happen in your past, wishing that your past was different. When you argue with your past, when you regret things from your past, it's normally not useful for you. If you, on the other hand, use your past regrets to do something differently in your present or your future, then it could be helpful. But regret is normally not a helpful feeling. Do you find yourself looking into your past and regretting things rather than looking forward and living your life? What if what happened in the past was meant to be? Or what if you thought what is done is done? Maybe the way things that happened in your life were always meant to happen that way. And all those happenings created your life the way that you're living it right now. When you look at your life from this perspective, how does that make you feel? Regret can be used in a more useful situation than when you look back in your life and regret things that happened or didn't happen. Ready to learn more about how regret can be a useful feeling for you? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.